It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Happy 1st of December. It is the 1st. It is the start of Vlogmas. I have decided to do it this year. I'm also doing Vlogmas over on my blog, so I'll leave that link down below as usual. Lots of festive posts going up over there. But yes, I am doing Vlogmas. I'm not going to do it traditionally. So I'm not uploading. Sorry, I keep looking just in case somebody's listening. Yeah, I'm not going to do it every day. I'm going to vlog every day, but I'm going to upload every other day. So you'll get 2 days worth of footage and then the vlog the next day for those 2 days. Mostly because I don't physically have the time to film, edit, upload every single day. I can't physically do it. Sorry if I sound a bit bunged up as well. Aaron's been ill for the last few days and I think I've just caught it, but I'm also still suffering with a bit of loss of hearing from my ear infection. So yeah, I sound really funny in my head, but I'm not sure how I sound on camera. I've just got myself a little bit of breakfast. I've got a coffee and a cheese twist as a little Friday treat, because I had to go and get some lunch anyway from Tesco's, and they just brought the pastries out, and yeah, I couldn't resist. Sometimes I have it at break time if I do treat myself, but yeah, breakfast today because I am starving. It's, I don't know what's happening to my hair. Yeah, another reason why I won't be uploading every day is because I am still at work until 15th, 16th? 15th is the Friday that we break up. So to be honest, there's not going to be that much to film. I'm going to be in work and then doing the odd thing in the evening, but yeah, not doing an awful lot. So every other day uploads of 2 days of vlog footage. So yeah, make sure you do subscribe so you keep up to date with that. Turn the bell on so you get notified when I upload. It'll probably be in the evenings, I'd imagine, about 6. Blog posts will be at 8 AM every day, and yeah, vlogs 6 PM every other day. So I'm hoping I can keep up with it. My shop is getting quite busy as well, my Etsy, with candle orders. Yeah, I've got a new collection coming in the next few days as well, which I'm really excited about. It's coffee shop themed, and the scents smell absolutely amazing. So yeah, I've got that to work on. It's just very busy in my life. Yeah, please stick around if you want to watch me get festive. The tree will be going up in the next few days. I think we might put it up tonight, so it might be in this video. If not, it'll be in the next video. So yeah, that's all I have to update you on at the moment. I'm going to have my breakfast and then get cracking in work. I've got a few admin-y bits to do on the computer first before the day starts. It is only 7 o'clock, so no one's in yet. Yeah, I will chat to you later. Also, can I just add, all these people that apparently love the winter months, find it cozy, want to stay inside, obviously don't ever have to get up and defrost their car at 5:30 in the morning. It's the first day it's been frozen today, so we haven't done too badly, but yeah, not fun in the mornings, but hey ho. So last weekend we actually went down to Uffculme. It's a little village in Devon, where we work and where Aaron's from. We went to see their light switch on. We've been before, but we thought we'd go this year. His mum lives there as well, and it was her birthday, so we went round there for a takeaway. But yeah, I did film a little bit of the lights, so I will insert that now. I don't think I'll ever tire of the sunrise. That is my view. It's 8:04 and that is my view from my window in work. How lovely.